I'd like to introduce you to my Ultimate Pigment and Sun Damage Repair Kit. This is a powerful, professional skincare routine that very substantially transforms complexions. So first what we do is we clean the skin, and we clean the skin well to create a blank slate upon which we put our powerful actives. So I have my extremely gentle foaming facial cleanser, followed by my pore minimizing toner. The toner is also soothing, so that helps if any skin irritation develops or is part of your complexion problem constellation. It also contains witch hazel, which helps to shrink the pore size, so you get a nice little benefit from that as well. After cleansing, you apply the pigment fading pads, which we can mix with hydroquinone. The pigment fading pads contain botanical skin lighteners like kojic acid, arbutin, and berberry, but it's ideal to add hydroquinone at the 2% concentration because that will have an additional functionality for evening out and reducing melanin production, which is what leads to skin hyperpigmentation. After the pads, you then apply green tea, which locks and loads your skin's antioxidant reserve to fight skin inflammation, to fight free radical damage, helps soothe any irritation that may happen from what I'm going to tell you next, and or that may be part of your complexion issues. Inflammation such as acne that's healed with hyperpigmentation, inflammation that drives melasma, inflammation that's part of sun damage, etc. Then, after the green tea, you apply either glycolic acid, which will begin by completely different mechanisms, a lightening process to smooth out uneven skin pigmentation, and will help to stimulate collagen renewal by turning on the mechanisms for collagen production in your skin. Glycolic acid also brightens your skin. It can make your skin a little sensitive, which is why the green tea combined with this and the soothing toner combined with this is a brilliant combination to help your skin tolerate this powerful routine. If your skin's gotten a little irritated, you may want to give it a break by using just the daily face cream. And then on top of this, of course, you need to apply your protecting step. And I give you two choices of mineral zinc oxide products. Both are beautiful, elegant, lightweight products on your skin. One is tinted and one is not tinted, depending on your preference. The tinted product, our matte tinted sunscreen, also has iron oxide, which I highly recommend if you're struggling with melasma, because we know that melasma pigmentation also darkens from visible light, and the iron oxide will block that for you as well. The tinting in the matte tinted sunscreen has technology that mixes in well with all complexion tones. That's your daytime routine. At night, what do? Again, you cleanse, and you double cleanse with this and soothe. You apply your pigment fading pads, and then you apply your retinol cream. The retinol cream has the same hefty green tea concentration as our green tea cream, but it also contains pharmaceutical grade, stable, professional levels of retinol, which provides its own unique mechanism to even out and turn down skin pigmentation and to stimulate new collagen formation to reverse sun damage, skin thinning, and skin aging. On top of the retinol, you're going to need to apply a hydrating product to moisturize your skin and maintain a healthy skin barrier. And again, you have choices here. Most people choose just to use the daily face cream on their skin at night, but you could, if your skin is tough enough, top it with the glycolic acid face cream. So if hyperpigmentation, uneven pigmentation, and sun damage are problems that you want to address, I invite you to give this routine that I've created a test and let me know how it works. Thank you very much.